Hello, Leos. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for August 1st to the 15th. And if you've been following me, you would know how I do this. I'll be first looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the next 15 days. So, this is general reading. Please remember while watching this, it may or may not resonate with all of you. So, what you can do is to understand whether this is working for you or not, just see if the current situation is resonating with you. If that resonates, then pretty much I feel the outcome will also resonate. And I'll be ending it off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe as an advice for you. So let's see what's going on with you, Leos. What's going on with you, Leos? What's going on with you, Leos? 10 of Wands, 7 of Wands, and the World. The resistance to something is coming to an end because that is becoming toxic for you. You've been holding on to some sort of a burden which is not going to work out for you anymore. You got to understand and release it now. Learn to say no to something that is not working in your favor. If you don't say no, nobody else is going to say no on your behalf, and this is something that you need to understand. All right? Now, I'm seeing that you as a person, you are transforming, okay? There is a big shift coming in your life. Let's see what is this shift about. What is the World card about? Okay, 8 of Wands. Let's see if it comes back. What is this shift about, universe? 4 of Wands. So, lot of Wands energy here. Either you're being asked to bring in some fire in you, because maybe fire is something that used to scare you, or maybe a fiery energy scares you. Now, I'm seeing that there is some sort of a stability coming in your life. Okay? And you can only become stable if you learn to say no to something that is becoming troublesome and bothersome for you. Okay? So, I am seeing that it is basically a chance that the universe is bringing for you. And you got to be vigilant to understand where to say the word no. That's the basic message that I'm seeing here. Okay, you have to draw the line and shoot away those arrows which are unnecessarily coming towards you. Okay, that's the energy that I'm picking up. Now, if this resonates with you, let's see what can you expect in the coming 15 days for yourself. August 1st to the 15th. Next 15 days, August 1st to the 15th. King of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, and 2 of Wands. You will finally be able to take a very drastic step. For a lot of you, I'm seeing a scene for a marriage. This is something that probably you're not sure about. Like, do you want it or you don't want it? However, I see this opportunity opening up for you, of a stable relationship, of a man coming in your life. For a lot of you, I feel that there is a chance of a marriage, but you will not be sure. Like, I'm seeing you half in it, half out of it. Like, at some point, okay, let me try, and then you're still not sure whether you should or not. Again, I have the 10 of swords here. So, this is telling me this could be because you feel 10 of wands, 10 of swords. You feel very burdened right now. And you don't want another extra burden on yourself, is what I am seeing here. So I do sense that there is an opportunity opening up for you. Probably by in the next 15 days itself, I'm seeing 10 days. You will see either you've been waiting for this, but then when it comes, you will be scared and you'll be like, no, I don't know if I'm ready for this. Okay, you might be in that energy where you'll be like, is this meant for me? I don't know. Can I even do this? All of those thoughts will start coming in your mind, and you'll be like, all right, let's see if I can do this or not. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing, what's coming up for you in the next 15 days. Now, here I feel that it's a door where you're half in and half out. So you got to decide either you're fully in it or you're out of it. And that you can only decide when your baggage is gone. Like, I see a lot of baggage on you. Like, somehow you feel that there's a lot on me. I need to talk. I need to take this out. You need a doctor. For a lot of you, I would advise that please talk your mind and your heart out to someone. Okay? Let's see what is the advice for you here. Leos. Accelerated motion. This is 8 of wands. Solitude. Oh wow, 3 major arcanas. World repeated again. Okay, so alright. Here I am seeing, guys, that you got to put an end to something. Definitely. Something that is bothering you, something that is overwhelming you, and that you have to understand. Somewhere you have an idea. You know that this is the thing that is troubling you. Okay? Put an end to that. And maybe to identify that one thing, you will probably have to invest some time with yourself. And then I think you will be able to understand what is it that is troubling you. Spend some time with yourself. That's what I'm picking up. Spend some time with yourself. I feel that this is this is some sort of an epiphany. Maybe you probably you thought this situation gave you happiness, but actually it is not giving you happiness. So you got to put an end to it. You have to think about yourself, and those thoughts are going to only come to you when you spend time with yourself. At this stage, I'm seeing that you're not even spending time with yourself. So if that continues, then you will not be able to do this. Spend some time with yourself. You'll be able to understand what is it that is troubling you so much. Okay, and you have to be you might have to take a step ahead and put an end to it, because you can only do this. Nobody else will come and do this for you, Leos. All right, so that is what I have for you guys. I hope this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, I have 2 Instagram pages. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. Have a look at that. Let me know. The tarot page has daily energy check-ins, just in case if you're interested. The links are there in the description. So you can have a look at that and let me know. Take care. Bye.